What is this message? Nowhere in company code AM01 for parallel currency CDAM. What does it mean, sir? Saying for the first time. Uh, Someone has changed the settings, sir. Someone changed settings again. Just simulating the scenario, okay? We'll see. Someone has changed something. Hmm. See, that's the reason I'm just simulating normal AB50 scenario. Now I'll come to know, right? What exactly happened there? What is the issue? So I've just simulated AB50. Now I see some corrections now. Someone might created one new ledger and assigned to the 0L. So it is showing in our company code. Let us click on this one. We'll come to know what are the errors we have. See, our accounting principles are leading ledger 0L and another accounting principle is AI. So these are two are new ledgers. Okay. So LA and YZ, LA and YZ are the two new different ledgers. I think yesterday also we had seen, but it's fine. LA and YZ. Okay, this is the one, right? Slash O, SPRO, financial accounting, global settings, and ledgers. Here you can see the ledger, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Confirm. Continue. So before that, slash O S double C4. Just check the client currency also. Looks like someone has changed the C. Client currency also changed. This real is stupidity here. So someone is changing at the client level. This is a client level currency. I don't understand. People are like changing the currency at the table level itself. It's a main client setting. This is. That's the reason you're getting a lot of errors now. So other than what we have LA and YZ. So come back to the LA here. Position LA. Let us delete it. AM01. Delete this one. We'll see if at all if it is not accepting. Fine. So which is not our relevant ledger, sir. Okay. Save. This is not ours. So system is able to save the message. You're able to understand, right, guys? What I'm doing? I'm just deleting the company code which is not relevant to our ledgers or company code ledgers. I'm just removing the company code from the irrelevant ledgers of our company code. Okay, and one more we have, right? Another ledger. What is another ledger we have? This one, YZ company code. So this is also not our ledger. If you want, you have to define one more, two more depreciation areas. Understood, right? We can continue, but asset accounting will not consider until unless you create for those accounting principles also. Okay, so your depreciation areas will get increased. M01, delete this one also, click on save. First, initially only you have to decide what are the accounting principles, what are the currencies. Come back here. So this is fine. Now we can go back to the, so I can just close this one, try once again. Anyhow, I have done some changes, right? So system is not okay. Let me close this first. Close this, cancel it. Let us try once again. So I'm able to post the normal document. So with this we have done some corrections for the ledgers for our company code relevant ledgers. So what I was trying to do is I was just trying to show you the whatever we have done yesterday. This is asset display. Click on master data. So we have sold out this asset, right? So it has been deactivated. Click on values. So values also you will see. Yep. Now you're able to see, and we got profit also. Okay. Any questions till here, guys? A retirement process or a depreciation process or acquisition process. So what we have learned, come back to the some 9 p.m. screen. So here, right? So let us understand acquisition. This is one scenario. Second scenario, but this is with your with vendor. We purchased asset from the vendor. This is your depreciation. We executed the depreciation scenario also. And the third scenario is what we did? Retirement with customer. Okay. Any questions on these three scenarios? No, right? If not, then we'll continue with another scenario, acquisition without vendor. Okay, so let us purchase one asset. So let us create one asset master data. Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, asset master, create asset. Asset class, we have this one, asset class CDFF, company code, press enter. This one I am just giving as a 02 for our identification. So time dependent data, you can give the cost center, go to the depreciation areas. I'll keep the same thing, no changes here. I'll put it as from the 1/4. Your depreciation started, click on save. 31/12/2025. DDMMYY, right? 01/04/2025. Press enter. Okay, slash I'm putting it. Okay, fine. No worries. So someone is changing the date format every time. 01/4/2025. Click on, so it is already saved. Now what we'll do, we'll go back to the posting. So under posting, under acquisition, we have this one, acquisition with automatic offsetting entry. Okay. So actually no need to create the new asset. We can create it from here also, new asset itself. Two options. If you already have the existing master data, you can, since we already created, I'm just considering the existing asset. Otherwise, you can you can come directly to this transaction. You can select with the new asset if you don't have the asset. We already have here, and you can just select. Okay, document date. I'll just select it from the beginning of the financial year. We'll see 0104. I want to select the same date. Here you can just consider the same value, something text asset purchase without vendor. Okay, now click on additional details. So this is, it's up to you what details you want to provide. Asset acquisition, asset acquisition. Okay, if you want to change the document type, you can change. If you want to give some account, you can give the account here also. But I don't want to give any account here since I want to system to derive the GL account. So this asset purchase from without asset purchase without vendor. That means you are purchasing internally. Okay, so come back here, click on here. We have this option simulate. Click on simulate option. So system is giving some message again. So system is expecting KTANSG contra account acquisition violation could not be found for 01. So we need one GL account for KTANSG slash OORFA, your asset accounting shortcut key. Go to the organization, sorry, integration with the GL accounting, assign GL accounts. What is our chart of depreciation, guys? CDAM, CDAM, that's correct. COA, click on account determination, and here CDFF is your account determination here. Select balance sheet. So system is expecting which one? Contra account acquisition value. Have, if you don't have confidence, check with the technical field name first. Contra account acquisition value. That's what we got that error, right? See, contra account acquisition value. It's the same description, but still, if you want to see the field technical field name, yes, KTANSG, that's the correct. So close this. Now you have to create this account. Control Y. I'll just copy this value. What I'll do, I'll create one more GL account for this. So FS00. Let us see under assets. We already have this one, right? What I'll do, I'll just copy it, but I'll give the next GL account as 7. Continue. So balance sheet assets. You can just remove the description. Remove the description. If you want, you can mention FINF for furniture and fittings. Control data. For this, we don't require reconciliation. Create bank interest. This is also normal G001. Press enter. Click on save. Continue. We'll see 1007. Come back to the here 1007. This is for the first accounting principle. You can give the for the another accounting principle the same GL account. We'll see if you are facing an errors, system definitely it will throw some errors. Continue. So come back to your transaction. Click on continue. Again simulate it. We'll see if you're getting an errors. Now system still it is showing some errors. See, you can see the so 1007 we just now we created the GL account. It's a balance sheet account. Okay, but in case let us go to the GL master. If you create this one as a reconciliation account, I don't think this will get posted with reconciliation assets. Save it. Come back. Come back, and here if you look at here, sorry, I'll simulate this transaction again. Simulate. See, you are not allowed to define reconciliation account. It is giving very clear message. Okay. So go back to the FSGL, FS00 GL master. Click on change mode again. Remove this to blank. Save. This is a normal balance sheet clearing account. Okay. Come back to the again here. Click on continue. Sir, you can play as you want, sir, with the transactions. So we removed it, right? But still it is showing us. So this might not updated the backend program. So I'll come back from this transaction. Let us exit because we done the changes. We have done some couple of changes over there. Yes, come back to the GL master once. It's a display only control data. So we removed the reconciliation account type. So I'll go back to the transaction again here. Click on ABZON. So you can give the details. Asset purchase without vendor, additional details, asset acquisition. So asset acquisition note, you can give the note asset acquisition without vendor, which means purchasing internally. Okay, click on simulate. We'll see. Yep, now system is giving the accounting document. Your purchase value with your asset. This is 1005 is your what is 1005, guys? So balance sheet APC F&F normal or normal furniture fitting account, and instead of supplier it is updating with your contra account. It's the same. Now I see some errors occurred. So let us check what is error. So system is expecting number inch for another accounting principles. Let us proceed from this transaction. Click on continue. Define document types here. So A is your document, sorry, A is your accounting principle. So I'm expecting here one more document type with 75. Press enter, save. Come back. So we have AA also. A is nothing but asset accounting document type. Come back here, click on cross. So back, click on simulate again. Now I don't see any errors. Click on post. System will post the document for the both accounting principles. Very clear, it is updated. System is updating this transaction in both accounting principles. Any questions, guys? You can check your AS03 asset values. This is your second asset. System will update your. So here you can see there is no vendor. Earlier for the previous asset we created with reference to vendor master. So 50,000, it's the same again, no difference. Parameters. Again the same process again for this asset. The depreciation will be executed, and at last if they want to sell, you can sell it out. So what we'll do, let us run for one period, then we'll sell it out for the another scenario. So now let us understand the fifth scenario, the same scenario, retirement with customer but without customer. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll use the same asset. Let us execute depreciation at least for one period. One period. Do we have anywhere? So let us take this one. Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, mm, periodic processing, depreciation run, execute. So I want to see it for second asset. Click on for the so the depreciation is not executed for the first period. Execute. Click on yes. So here both are in green mode. There are no errors. This is fine. Come back. Now what I'll do? Remove this one. You have to remove this one also. You have to execute in production mode via background. Otherwise, system will not execute the program. System will throw messages. Continue. Immediate. Save. Okay, so this will be definitely it will be get executed. Go back to your asset explorer screen, posted values, refresh your screen. So first period should get updated. Posted values. So this has been updated, sir. Now what we'll do for the second period, so what is your net book value? 495. Let us sell out this asset with 496, but without customer 4,96,000. Let us see that scenario. So what we'll do, we'll go back to the retirement scenario, but without customer. Under retirement with revenue, which is customer, this is ABAON, asset sale without customer. Okay, so here document date, I want to sell it out 01/05/2025. Since we already executed depreciation for the first period 05/2025, control C, control V. So this is your asset retirement without customer, asset sale without customer. Now you have two options, revenue from net book value and manual revenue. So what is your asset value? 495,890. So what I'll do, I'll give as 496. Where is your 496? So this is your value, 496,000. Okay, additional details. If you want to give some details, yes, you can give. Asset retirement, asset retirement. Go to the, you have an option, partial retirement also. So here, this is very important. See, we purchased asset in the current year, not in the previous year. You have to select it. Note, it's a description. You can just mention description, asset retirement without customer. Some description, or you can attach some notes. Transaction data, click on simulate. So system is expecting. So here system has not thrown any error. System is giving perfectly without any errors here. So what system is exactly what it is doing? So this is your asset which is we created as a reconciliation account 1005, which is 5 lakhs, and we this is, go back to the asset master. If you go, so how to select, sir, that one parameters, you can see here under depreciation key, we created only one method, sir, as of now, straight line method, which is a 10 percentage. Yes, yep, yep. Okay, it is calculating correctly, right, sir? If you want, you can calculate it. So 4109.59 into 30 days, 30 days divided by 365, you should get 4109.59. Is the doubt is clear, sir? Test calculated. In the configuration, we had given days, depreciation to the days. There is a configuration setting, sir. If you remove that, then system will consider 12 months. Okay. So now what I was trying to do, I was trying to simulate the scenario, right? Yeah, here it is there. So what it is system is doing here. So come back to the GL master. So 1005 is your balance sheet asset account. We purchased asset at the cost of 5 lakhs. 2004 is 2004 accumulated depreciation. We already depreciated for the first period, which is 4109. That's correct. And your clearing account revenue 4 lakh. This is your sell amount, and the remaining balance it is showing as 109, which is gain on asset sale. This is correct. So system is, so no need for the GL account because system is updating with the existing GL accounts only with the clearing account revenue and gain on asset sale. We already created these two GL accounts. 4005 GL account, 4005 clearing account revenue. We created this non-operating expenses. That's fine. Any questions? Click on post. System is not throwing any errors. It is getting updated in both accounting principles. Any questions, guys? Come back to your asset master, click on refresh. You can see the values updated. So it has been updated with your 109.5 as a gain value. Is that clear, guys? So you can play with the accounts, you can play with the transactions, you can play with the scenarios. What are the scenarios that you want to do? Now we understood without customer also, right? Sixth one, this is depreciation is your planned depreciation. Okay, then we executed it, right? Now, unfortunately, if you want to increase your depreciation value as unplanned, okay? So for the current period, if it is 4109, I want to increase some value for the current period depreciation, okay? So depreciation. So how to add some unplanned depreciation? Let us create one more asset because we don't have any assets. Yes is 0, 1. So I'm doing it for now. I'm doing it for scenario unplanned depreciation. 0, 3, time dependent, cost center, presenter. So system automatically updates your business area and profit center automatically. Okay, come back to the depreciation areas. Let us keep it as it is. I don't want to change anything here. Click on save. So 30 is created. What we'll do, we'll purchase one asset here. So let me create one asset. Let me purchase the asset. It's up to you from which date you want to purchase. You can purchase it. Asset purchase. This is with vendor. So let us go with the vendor master. So what is the scenario I'm trying to simulate now? Guys, what is the scenario that I'm trying to simulate now? But why I'm doing this one? So which is called unplanned depreciation. Yes, that's the scenario now that I'm trying to do. Okay, but for that we need some asset values also, right? So what I'll do here, 70 is your asset. Select your asset, third asset. This is your third asset and transaction IP is 100 for asset acquisition. I'll give payment terms also. Pay immediately. Remove your withholding tax. Press enter. 5 lakhs here. Press enter as asset acquisition. Document. Simulate. Click on post. Go back to the asset master. Slash O AS03. Click on asset values. Okay, and this is fine. And posted values, it's the same again because it's calculating with the 10% depreciation. Now the planned, okay, what we'll do, we'll execute for one first depreciation, then we'll see how it will treat unplanned depreciation. So come back here, execute at least for one period the depreciation, the normal depreciation. So here, um, yep, sir. So we are under this year, sir. 50,000 divided by 12 periods, right? You are executing depreciation per period, and your we are parameters. Your useful life is 10 years. Under comparison, you can see the 10 years. Each year it is 50,000. Your straight line balance method is 10% per annum, sir. It is okay. Okay, 5,000. So this is 50,000 divided by. I mean, this is calculating based on the day, sir, not based on the months. So 365 is 30 into 30 divided by 365 days. Okay, for the April period. This Okay, let me open the calculator. I think we had seen yesterday, right? We calculated it is coming correctly, but we'll see. 50,000 into 30 days. 30 days means April period. This is first period is April divided by 365, which is 4109.58. This is coming correct only. Let us check for the second one. Not sure how it is calculating. 50,000 into 31 days. 31 days divided by 365. 4246. Perfect. It is coming perfectly. Is the doubt clear? Sir. Sorry, Sharath. Right. Sorry, Sharath. Yep. Okay. So what we'll do? What I'm trying to do now? I've forgotten, sir. I'm trying to execute the depreciation program. So posting. So let us execute for at least for one period. Periodic processing, depreciation run. Click on execute. So this is for the. I'll remove this one, and I want to directly. I'm not putting in the what do you say test run mode, because definitely it will execute it right for the first program. Click on execute in the background. LP01. Continue, immediate, check, and click on save. So come back to your asset display explorer report, refresh your screen here, go back to the posted values. So for the first period, system has updated the depreciation. Okay, now let us understand for the second period along with this 4246.57. I want unplanned depreciation to be posted as something, some value I want to update it. Okay, we are not posting any accounting document. I want some unplanned depreciation to be updated here. Later when we run the depreciation program, system will update the depreciation for this ordinary depreciation and unplanned depreciation. All this is planned depreciation, this is unplanned depreciation. Let us understand this one. So what we'll do, we'll create, we'll post some unplanned, it is not polled, will update some value to this asset as unplanned depreciation. Go back to the unplanned depreciation. We'll see where exactly we have that transaction. Periodic processing, depreciation. Where is that unplanned acquisition? Manual, see here itself. Manual value correction, manual manual depreciation, and unplanned depreciation. So manual depreciation for the third asset. Now transaction type is 640. Let us understand whether this is 640 or not. 640 is your unplanned depreciation on prior year acquisitions, but we purchased asset in the current year. So unplanned depreciation on current year acquisition. Click on this one, click continue. So this one you can give. I want to give this one on 01 05 2025. I want to adjust it for May period. So on 25k, something big value I'm giving. We'll see how it works. Asset unplanned depreciation. Click on additional details. This is also unplanned depreciation. Unplanned depreciation. Note some sudden unplanned depreciation value. Click on simulate. System is not showing anything here. Okay, so there are no errors. There is no, also because it is not posting any accounting document here. System is just updating the value. Okay, click on post. So asset transaction was posted, but nothing has been updated. We'll see your asset explorer. So system should get updated with value 20 to 25,000 under second period. For this column unplanned depreciation to be posted 25,000. Refresh the screen. Come back, see here on under planned values, you can see this one unplanned depreciation has been updated with 25,000. So here also with 650 transaction type for the current year acquisition 25k posted values. We have not posted the 20, just we updated with value 25k sir as unplanned depreciation amount, but we have not posted it because till when we execute the depreciation program, system will execute this amount as well as this amount. Any questions? Come back to the depreciation program. So let us execute the program. Periodic processing, depreciation, AFAB. So If you want to see the asset, yes, you can see the asset. Third asset it is, and we are want to execute for the second period. Click on execute. Yes, but system is showing some errors. Why? Run with ended with errors. Click on this one. So system is expecting, see here, accumulated depreciation account unplanned. So for unplanned depreciation also, system is expecting some GL accounts here. So what we should do? We should go back to the configuration. So come back to the depreciation here. First accounting principle. You can see here unplanned depreciation. Okay. Now, usually in the real time, what it will be, we'll be copying the same GL accounts. If client says I want separate GL accounts, definitely we'll go ahead and assign the new accounts. But usually 99% clients will say they use the same depreciation accounts. I'm assigning both what your accumulated depreciation as well as planned depreciation. This is for the first accounting principle. You have to assign the same thing for this one as well. 2004 and sir, if I don't assign for another accounting principle, what happens? What happens, sir, if I don't assign GL accounts for another accounting principle? No response, guys. What happens if I don't assign GL accounts? It will. So as of now, system is throwing the first accounting principle error. Okay. But next time again, when I execute the program again, system will throw for the next accounting principle. Now it is showing here. Okay. So 03. Next time it will show as 01. Come back here. Click on execute. Continue. So now system see here 40 to 46 plus 25,000, 40 to 46 plus 25,000. So your planned depreciation amount, unplanned depreciation amount also getting executed for the second period. Come back. Is this is clear, guys? It's okay. Come back here. Remove the test run mode. Remove the asset number. Click on program. Click on execute in the background. Select your LP01. Continue. Continue. So immediate. Looks like system is dead slow. It's not working. So completely dot disconnected. RDC. Let us try once again. Click on immediate. Click on save. So come back. Go to the your asset report. Click on refresh. This is showing partially. This is the one what we want. So system is getting updated under posted values. System should post the depreciation for your planned and unplanned also, which posted. Is that clear, guys? Now, so this is your, we had seen straight line balance method. Now straight line balance method. Now let us see diminishing, which is nothing but declining balance method. So what we should do, go back to the configuration, come back. So what I'll do, depreciation here, valuation methods, depreciation key, calculation methods, base method. We'll use the same base method. Okay. No change in that. We'll use the percentage method only. Here under multi-level methods, so what we created earlier, CDF, right? So CDF will copy the same thing, but we need separate. What I'll do, instead of CDF, I'll make it as declining balance method. I'll remove this one, declining balance method. From capitalization date, we'll keep it as it is. Continue. Select your CDD, double click your levels. So everything will be same. I want declining balance method with 10 percentage. The base value. So here the system should get calculated based on the net book value, not based on the acquisition value. That's the difference. Okay. So it's a declining balance method. So based on declining balance, so for the declining balance method, based on the net book value, that the it has to reduce your 10%. Click on save, continue. Okay. So come back here. So period control will give the same thing. There is no change here. Come back to the depreciation key. Let us create one depreciation key. So click on, if you want, you can copy it, but you have to change to CD declining DE. You can change this one, declining balance method with the 10%. Same it is, no change. So here, sir, this is the depreciation to the, it will calculate all 365 days. Click on copy, copied. So now select your CDD assignment of calculation. Now, so what what we had given here, CD base method. It is the same base method, right? We are not changed anything here. We changed under multi-level method. CD, so declining balance method, CDD. So everything is same. Now here the another one here. Class is declining balance method. This is another change. So what changes I have done? I have changed only in the multi-level method and declining balance method. Under multi-level method, I have given, instead of acquisition, I had given net book value. Here class had changed it to from straight line to declining balance method. Click on save. Continue. So here, so system will expect to be just okay. Anyhow, the status is active for this depreciation key. If not, you have to activate here. Select your and activate it here. So now let us create one asset master. AS01. Click on master data. So here I want to create it with 04 and time dependent. Cost center is same. Origin, depreciation areas. So this is coming from the default configuration. Okay. If you want to change, or if you want separate depreciation key as a class, you can change it accordingly. So where is that one? General valuation, determine depreciation areas in the asset class. So here CD FF is your asset class. Select here, double click on depreciation areas. It's coming from here. But still I can overwrite it from asset master. CD, what is my depreciation key? CDDE. Okay. So this also I want to change it to DE. Press enter. So here system is expecting the date from which date you want to calculate depreciation. With the date, click on save. This is done, sir. Fourth asset has been created with diminishing balance method asset master. So let us acquire the asset, external acquisition F-90. So again similarly I want to purchase asset from the beginning of the year. So 31. So this is your supplier master. Press enter. 5 lakhs. This is your asset acquisition 70, and this is your fourth asset, right, sir? Am I correct? Click on 100. So remove your withholding tax. Press enter. So 5 lakhs here. Asset acquisition. Click on document simulate. So system is giving the same value. Click on post. 413. Okay, come back to your asset master. So this is your asset master. Click on asset master data. Sorry, exit. No. So AS03, press enter. Okay, here also we have this option. After entering and inside also you can see the asset values option here. So here 50,000 posted values. So okay, here you can see comparison. So that's the differences, sir. So on 5 lakhs, our depreciation rate is 10%. On 5 lakhs, 10%, 50,000. So if you deduct 50,000 from for the first year, the net book value is 4 lakh 50,000. So on net book value 4 lakh 50,000, 10%, 45,000. On 405, 40,500, 328. So similarly, you are calculating your depreciation based on net book value, which is called declining balance method. Any questions? And the process will be similar again, executing the depreciation, whatever the transactions that you want to adjust, you can adjust. But the calculation part, the depreciation method. Any questions on this method? Yep. So come back to the, this is also done. Okay. Now use, so, one is percentage method, right? Percentage method. So this is on the percentage method. Now I want to calculate based on useful life, no percentage. If I give 10 years, so system on acquisition 10 years, acquisition amount divided by 10 years, that is called useful life based on the years. This also we have one method. Okay, so where exactly we have this one? So let us for the same asset, we'll see, we'll change the small setting in the configuration. Come back to the configuration. So if you look at here, under depreciation, under valuation methods, depreciation key, under calculation methods, here you have this base method, right? Under base method, here we have 0011. Okay, 0011. So what we'll do, so we'll use this 0011. So go back to the multi-level methods, continue. Okay, let me create new entries instead of, so this is for the useful life. So straight line, um, Amazon straight line with useful life. Okay, so Amazon straight line with useful life. Validity start date from a capitalization date, click on levels, new entries. So this is for applicable for all years. You can give the base value. So 01 only. Ha. Let us see. So yep, it's the same value, but I don't want to give, this is a change. I don't want to give any percentage. Okay, click on save. Amazon group, come back. So what we have defined, ASU. So where exactly it is getting differ? ASU, base method. We'll look into that at the time of depreciation key. So depreciation key, continue. We can create new entries. So just give depreciation key for a straight line useful life. So this is depreciation key, straight line useful life. Okay, and depreciation to the day, assignment of calculation method, new entries. So this is the something change here. Base method, earlier for your straight initial what I have done, I had given from with the percentage, right? Percentage method. Now I want to give useful life method. So instead of earlier we had given percentage something. I think I had given something after end of life explicit percentage. Now I want to give from useful life, percentage from useful life. So here you can just select your the same thing. There's no change. Click the same one. Multi-level method. We created one thing, sir. What is that? CDASU, right? Amazon straight line depreciation method with useful life. This is anyhow. I want to try with the straight line method. Click on save. Sorry. Here from the start of depreciation, click on save. Ignore the message. Continue. Come back. Select your depreciation calculation method. Click on activate because the status shows in active mode. Now system activated the depreciation. Click on save. Continue. Back, back, back. Okay. Now we are done with the useful life method parameters. Okay. Let us create one more instead of doing for the existing asset, fifth asset. Okay. Asset create presenter. So this is for the fifth asset, understanding useful life, how it will calculate it. Cost center, origin, depreciation areas. No, we have defined one more. What is the one? What is another one, sir? Anyone remember what is the depreciation key? Identification. What I had given? No, sir. It starts with Amazon, I think, right? Okay. So where is that? Here it we have depreciation key, straight line, useful life. Okay. DKSU, presenter. So system is expecting the date. So here also we'll change the DKSU presenter. Continue. Click on save. So we created it. Let us acquire one asset slash O F dash 90, which is asset acquisition. I want to acquire from the beginning of the year so that we'll understand how it is getting calculated. So your supplier master presenter here 5 lakhs. This is also continue. Click on your 70. Your this is your fifth asset, correct? Transaction type is 100. You can give payment terms presenter three times because system will throw n number of warning messages. 5 lakhs. This is your asset acquisition document simulate. Click on post. So come back to the asset master. We don't have any screen. So here click on asset display. Click on asset values. So I'm expecting based on the useful life parameters. So display depreciation key. So we are not calculating based on useful life, right? No percentage based on the useful life. So it is based on the useful life, ordinary percentage from useful life. Come back. So go to the posted, go to the comparisons. Now you can see it here. So basically what it is doing is it's just dividing it. That's it. So 5 lakhs divided by what is the useful life, sir? 10 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically it is dividing to 10 years. For example, if I let us since we have not posted any entry to this asset, right? What we'll do, we'll change this master data once to something 12 period something. We'll try. Why this is coming like this? Come back. So click on asset to change master. Click on presenter. I want to change depreciation areas useful life 12 years instead of 10 years. So system is asking to recalculate values also. It's going on, system is showing option also recalculate values. Okay, now click on asset values. So system 12, how much the value should be, sir? 5 lakhs divided by 12. What is the value? 5 lakhs divided by 12. Someone? That is correct. Is that correct? 5 lakhs divided by 12 years. 41,666. That's correct, sir. Any questions on the useful life method?